All right, we got Martha here. Oh, it's mostly really neck pain, low back pain. But she's looking down at the phone just like you are. See the line here perfectly. Your head's coming forward a little bit. Excellent.
That was so good.
There you go. Good. Drop the
Wow.
The accordion was stuck. We got to get open all the way through.
Oh my god. That was crazy.
Open. Line is right up the middle. So how do you feel?
Amazing.
Better?
Yes.
You're next.